The word Ahad occurs in the Quran once in Surah Ikhlas, chapter number 112, verse number 1. The second derivative, Waahid, occurs in the Quran more than 20 times. In Surah Baqarah, chapter number 2, verse number 133. In Surah Baqarah, chapter number 2, verse number 163. In Surah Nisa, chapter number 4, verse number 171. In Surah Ma'idah, chapter number 5, verse number 73. In Surah Tawbah, chapter number 9, verse number 31. In Surah Yusuf, chapter number 12, verse number 39. In Surah Ra'd, chapter number 13, verse number 16. In Surah Ibrahim, chapter number 14, verse number 48. In Surah Ibrahim, chapter number 14, verse number 52. In Surah Nahl, chapter number 16, verse number 14. It's mentioned in Surah Kahf, chapter number 18, verse number 110. In Surah Anbiya, chapter number 21, verse number 108. It's then Surah Ankabut, chapter number 29, verse number 46. In Surah Safat, chapter number 37, verse number 4. In Surah Sa'd, chapter number 38, verse number 5. In Surah Sa'd, chapter number 38, verse number 65. In Surah Az-Zumar, chapter number 39, verse number 4. In Surah Ghafir, chapter number 40, verse number 16. And in Surah Fusilat, chapter number 41, verse number 6. It occurs in the Quran no less than 21 times. The word Waahid.